This is Sam's Speedwell Sprite. We've been to the rolling road with this, and after this film you'll see the car being run up on the rollers. The engine has just been refreshed, ready for the 2024 season. It's a 1293 A series inline. It's pretty much as far as you can go with one of these inline engines at a 1293 capacity within the regulations, in as much as that it runs a steel crank, steel rods, Omega pistons. It's got a big valve head on it. This one's running a 649 plus camshaft in it. 1.5 ratio rockers, not roller rockers, just cast ones. Running an Alden distributor, alloy radiator, as you'll see there, and just lightweight alternator, oil cooler, straight cut close ratio gearbox. This car, being all fiberglass, is pretty light. We're just in the body shop here. It's going to have a quick respray to freshen it up for the season as well. That's why there are no windows in it. It's done a few seasons on the original engine, and it was well overdue to have a strip and check. There was nothing particularly untoward after quite a hard 2-3 years work, in all honesty. But this car's quite light. This is round about the 580, 570 kilo mark. So it's producing just over 130 horsepower. That's at the flywheel, which equates to around about 94, 95 at the wheels. So although that's not a massive figure, it's pretty big for one of those engines. Anything that you can get 100 brake horsepower per litre out of it is always good, especially bearing in mind you're dealing with 1960s original technology. And on a car that's weighing 570 kilos, then you do the power to weight ratio. Obviously a limiting factor are the Dunlop race tyres we run on, which they're not Yokohamas, let's put it that way. But it's the same for everyone. We all run on the same tyres. Great fun to drive. Massive amount of feedback you get from driving it. And stay tuned and you'll see it having the life thrashed out of it on the rollers. But it needed it just to get it all set and going properly. And then we're ready for the season. way through the maximum RPM. That cured the misfire that was there on the previous run.